Look, we've all been there. You're staring at your computer screen, totally frustrated because you just want to check your toll balance, and you literally cannot log into your old TxTag account. If you've been locked out and you're feeling, frankly, completely confused about where your money is going, take a breath because you are in exactly the right place. Welcome! This explainer is basically your ultimate guide to taking complete control of your travel expenses on this brand new platform. We're going to empower you to navigate this new system quickly, effortlessly, and with zero headaches.
Okay, let's dive into this. First off, you aren't going crazy. And no, you aren't typing your password wrong. The truth is, the legacy TxTag website that you're so used to using, it has been permanently shut down. If you've been trying to log into TxTag.org to check your balance and avoid those pesky unexpected charges, it's basically a digital ghost town right now. But don't panic. Your money isn't gone. It just moved. So let's figure out exactly how to find it.
Here is our quick roadmap for today. We are going to cover the TxTag system transition, your first HCTRA login, checking your account balance, managing with EasyTag, and finally, troubleshooting common issues.
Section 1. System Transition. Why the backend changed.
So why on earth did they shut down a system used by millions of Texas drivers, right? And who is actually in charge of your tolls right now? Well, the Texas Transportation Commission approved this massive migration for a very specific reason. For years, users dealt with significant billing discrepancies, super delayed customer service, and just constant system-wide tech glitches under the old setup. Plus, it was wildly expensive, costing about 30 cents per transaction to process. To fix this, they transferred back-end management to the Harris County Toll Road Authority, you'll hear us call them HCTRA, powered by Right Horizon Technology. This consolidation cuts processing costs in half, down to around 15 cents per transaction. It's a massive win for efficiency. But yeah, it does require a little bit of action on your part.
Let's just ground ourselves in the timeline real quick so we know how this all played out. The migration officially started on November 9th, 2024. Then we hit a critical account blackout period from November 15th to December 2nd, where all those user profiles were actively migrated over. On December 2nd, those migrated accounts actually woke up and became active under HCTRA. And finally, on February 22nd, 2025, TxTag.org was permanently closed for good. So if you've been trying to use the old portal lately, you've just been knocking on a closed door.
Section 2. First HCTRA login. Initializing your account.
All right, this is the highly practical tutorial part of our explainer. I'm going to show you exactly how to initialize your account. Actually, before we even start, I highly recommend grabbing your login credentials and having them ready. So, the absolute crucial point here is, when you go to the new website, whatever you do, do not click Sign Up. I know it's incredibly tempting because you feel like a new user on a shiny new site, but clicking Sign Up is going to incorrectly prompt the creation of a duplicate account. You are a migrated user, not a new one. You already exist in their system, we just need to wake your profile up.
Here is your exact step-by-step walkthrough. Step 1, open a recommended browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Head over to hctera.org and click the Login button up in the top right. Step 2, scroll down just a bit and click the hyperlink that says First Time Login. Step 3, and seriously pay close attention to this one, enter your physical TxTag sticker number. We've actually tested this extensively, and using your legacy account number or phone number often straight up fails to find a match. The physical transponder sticker number sitting on your windshield is the primary key they need to recover your migrated profile. Once you punch that in, you can set up a new username and a secure password, and boom, you've got full dashboard access.
Section 3. Checking balance. Rules and thresholds. Awesome, you're logged in. Now that you've reached your dashboard, it's really important to understand how the new replenishment rules work. Under this new pre-funded debit model, the standard rule requires an opening deposit of a $20 prepaid balance. For your auto-replenishment rate, HCTRA takes a $10 deposit for your first 2 vehicles and $20 for every 2 additional vehicles. And as for hardware, a physical microchip sticker is still totally required. But hey, the really great news is that your existing legacy TxTag sticker will keep working perfectly on all compatible toll roads.
Now, I want you to memorize this exact dollar amount, $5. Auto-replenishment is automatically triggered when your prepaid balance falls to or below $5, which is basically 25% of the minimum required balance. It is absolutely crucial to understand this. If your account goes negative, you are going to get hit with higher toll rates and extra fees until you top it up. Honestly, setting up alerts for low balances is a phenomenal way to optimize your account management here, so you're never caught off guard.
Section 4. Managing EasyTag.
the mobile app ecosystem.
We all basically live on our phones, right? So managing your daily tolls should be just as easy. Let's talk about the mobile ecosystem. Here's a quick definition you need to know. The TxTag app is the official mobile application provided by HCTRA for iOS and Android. So even though you literally have a TransTag sticker on your car, you actually have to use the TxTag app to manage it now. Definitely do not try to use the old TxTag app. That runs on entirely separate public sector databases and it will not help you resolve your billing issues.
The capabilities of this TxTag app are actually really robust. It completely empowers you to handle your travel expenses on the go. You can view your balance and manually add funds. You can manage your payment methods if, say, your credit card expires. You can view your toll transactions, which is huge for understanding your account statements and analyzing different transaction types, like separating your actual toll usage from your account refills. Plus, you can manage your vehicles and even call HCTRA's roadside assistance directly from the app. It's a real game changer.
Section 5. Troubleshooting. Common issues solved.
We have covered the ideal setup, but let's be real for a second. Digital transitions are inherently messy. If you're stuck or having a hard time navigating the site, you are absolutely not alone. Just look at this quote from a frustrated user on the Houston subreddit. They wrote, "Forgot username used to be an option on the login page, and I no longer see it. How to find username?" This is such a valid concern. Recovering login details needs to be straightforward, and if you can't remember the new username you literally just set up during migration, it feels like you're locked out all over again.
Well, here is your lifeline for that missing username problem. You can visit the specific web address, hctra.org/forgotusername/input email, and just drop in your registered email. But if the database stubbornly refuses to recognize your email, you need to email the support desk directly at easytagstore@hctra.org. Make sure you include your physical transponder identifier in that email. Users have been saying that customer service is pretty snappy and usually responds within a single business day to help recover your profile.
Let's look at another real-world frustration. This one from an App Store review. A user noted, "There is a constant issue that I have been having where I get signed out because of an expired session." They explained how insanely annoying this is when they're just trying to quickly add a few dollars to avoid a larger $20 auto charge. It's a fantastic reminder to always keep your contact information up to date and make absolutely sure you're running the latest version of the app, since developers are constantly pushing out stability improvements.
If you're still hitting a brick wall with ongoing login errors, weird discrepancies in your account balance, or tech bugs that you just can't crack on your own, here is your directory of official support channels. You can call customer service right at 281-875-EASY, which is 3279. You can shoot an email to appsupport@hctra.org or visit www.hctra.org/help-and-support. Seriously, do not hesitate to reach out to them if you need more help getting things sorted.
Which brings us to our final and most important question for you. Have you set up your new HCTRA login to verify your legacy TxTag balance today? Taking just a few minutes to initialize your account using that physical sticker number will totally empower you to maintain your account health and dodge those unexpected fees. Now, a quick reminder. Systems, websites, and policies are always evolving, so keep in mind that this info reflects the status as of August 24, 2026. You should always verify details on the official HCTRA website for any recent updates. Thanks so much for diving into this explainer with us, and safe travels out there on the toll roads.